In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Duolingo app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to download Duolingo app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Duolingo app on your Android smartphone through Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on Google Play Store here to open it. And from here, go ahead and search for your app. If you can see this search bar, go ahead and tap on the search and it will activate this search bar. From here, go ahead and tap on Duolingo and you can see here it is. And this will open up this Duolingo language lesson app. So if you tap on it, this is the right app that you should download and install on your smartphone. To know it is the right app, you'll see the company is Duolingo. So if it's not this company, then no, it is not the right app. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 36 million reviews. And the file size is currently 59 MBs and it has over 500 downloads at the time of recording this. Proceed and tap on install and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Duolingo app on your smartphone and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using it, or you can go ahead and go to your apps. And now you can see Duolingo app is here. If you tap on it, it will open and this is the home interface. Now proceed and get started. So that's how you can download the right Duolingo app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.